All right, let's look at how markets opened this morning after Iran's attack on Israel over the weekend. Now, Asian stocks fell on Monday, tracking a broad decline on Wall Street in anticipation of an imminent attack by Iran.
Now, stock benchmarks in Japan, South Korea and Australia declined. This comes after the S&P 500 suffered its worst session since January on Friday amid a flight to safety. Chinese equities are set for a tough week after a miss in the nation's trade data Friday. Even if the global risk mood does improve and geopolitical tensions subside, Chinese stocks may see headwinds of their own to overcome. Sunday saw thin trading volumes cause modest losses in Saudi Arabian and Qatari stock markets after Israeli stocks ended in green after fluctuating between losses and gains 9 times.
Rising tensions in West Asia threaten to add to the market's unpredictability. This comes when investors are already unsettled by persistent inflation and the possibility of higher for longer interest rates. Now, some analysts predict that oil prices might rise over $100 per barrel as the war drags on. Investors are fleeing to safe havens like the dollar, gold and treasuries, while the stock market continues to plummet. While Iran said the matter can be deemed concluded, traders are now waiting to see if the conflict spirals into a widespread regional war.
Still, nerves may be tempered following a report that President Joe Biden told Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu that the United States will not support an Israeli counterattack against Iran. Oil shrugged off Iran's attacks, with gains held in check by speculation that the conflict would remain contained. Brent crude is already up almost 20% this year and last traded around $90 a barrel.